Today I'm going to show you how to build our rolling cart with 10 drawers. The first step is to screw in each of the 4 rods into one side of the cart. In order to get the best results, make sure to not tighten the rods completely right now. We will build the cart and then tighten them at the end. As you attach the second side of the cart, make sure the screws remain loose. Okay, now we can tighten all the screws completely using the Allen wrench. Once the cart structure is together, you can go ahead and snap the top shelf into place. Next, we will screw in each of the knobs onto the drawers before installing them into the cart. Once your drawers are installed, we will finalize our cart by inserting the drawer stoppers. Customers love our rolling cart with 10 drawers, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.